frustrated by being broke or tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Building savings is essential to long-term financial well-being. However, with all the unavoidable expenses that you need to cover, we can get hit with unexpected car repairs or medical expenses without being able to plan for it. It's easy to feel like there's barely anything left to save. So in today's video, we will be discussing 4 life hacks to survive between paychecks. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Make saving automatic. Many people concentrate on saving the money that is left over after spending it, but it is incorrect. Instead, concentrate on saving as much as you can before you even have the opportunity to spend it. When you get paid, set a specific amount aside and be sure to stay to it by sending your money out immediately away. 2. Turn clutter into cash. You might have tons of money sitting around your home that you didn't even know about. Do you have old clothes, gadgets, or toys that you can part with? You can sell them out in yard sales or some mobile apps to get extra cash. This is a tested and trusted way of making extra income on the side and can help you survive between paychecks. 3. Budget your spending cash. There are many options for creating a financial plan. A traditional one that only accepts cash is the envelope system. You would want envelopes with labels for the categories and budget. If you don't like the cash-only approach, you can use the 50/30/20 budgeting guideline and base your budget on the 80% of your income that is available for expenditure. The 60% solution also caps committed spending at 60% of your gross revenue. No matter what approach you use to create your budget, it must account for all of your requirements and wants and saves for future costs. 4. Find free ways to have fun. Who says you need to go to the movie theater to watch a movie, eat expensive popcorn, and drink costly and unhealthy sodas? There are plenty of free ways to have fun, like renting free movies at your local library, playing a game at home, or going for a nature walk. 5. Identify needs vs. wants. In today's world, we frequently confuse what we desire and what we need, although they are 2 quite distinct concepts. What defines a need? Food, shelter, and water are examples of things that you absolutely must have in order to live and exist. These are essential human requirements. Wants, on the other hand, are things you can survive and live absolutely fine without. A no-brainer way to survive between paychecks is by cutting down on wants. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other life hacks to survive between paychecks with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.